Why to invest in industry sector of Zanjan province? A special logistic location of Zanjan province in northwest of the country with proper investment capacities and potentials. Being built up on national and international transportation highways and main communication routes and benefiting from airport and air border, touristic access and business roads due to being placed on Silk Road, on Tehran Europe and the East to West Transit Road. Adjacency to 7 provinces. Having 12 provinces comprising 50% of national production and consumption market in 400-kilometer radius. Adjacency to 7 border towns: Anzali, Astara, Nurduz, Julfa, Bazargan, Razi, and Bashmaq in Kurdistan, and Anzali and Aras commercial industrial free zones. Adjacency to the capital city, exploiting 80% various minerals, including 35 kinds of unique minerals of the country. Numerous education centers and facilities and expert workforce. Having industrial towns and zones in all the cities of the province with necessary infrastructures such as water, gas and electricity network and telecommunication center and optical fiber line. Electricity and electronics industry in Zanjan province. Main productions of the province in this sector includes power equipments such as distribution, sub-transmission, and power transformers, different kinds of switch and high and medium voltage disconnector, insulator parts of distribution transformers, etc., and different kinds of wire and cable in large volumes are high voltage and telecommunication wires and cables. Some of the investment priorities in this subsection are aimed at turning the province into power, electronic, and IT hub of the country through developing upstream industries related to major industries established in the province, producing electricity through renewable energies and related equipment, producing electric appliances under the license of credible and export-oriented brands, producing programmable electronic equipment such as PLC and motive force, producing AC, DC industrial motors and servo motor, establishing ICT towns, developing urban optical fiber infrastructure, establishing data center, developing Wi-Fi umbrella. Textile and leather industries in the province. Main products of the province as the textile industry hub includes cotton yarn, cotton thread mixed with synthetic fibers, machine-made carpet thread, cotton fabrics, jean and warp and woof worsted, carpets and curtain fabrics, non-woven fabrics, different kinds of synthetic fibers including polypropylene fibers, polyester and BCF. Currently, in this group, the amount of demand is more than the national production capacity. In addition to the mentioned points, having water with low hardness and moderate weather are some of the advantages of the province to develop textile industries. Some of the investment priorities in this subsection include developing industries related to shoe production as one of the hubs of this industry in the country, spinning cotton yarn, producing export-oriented garment with authentic brand, producing artificial leather, and using nanotechnology in textile industry. Cellulose and chemicals industries. Main cellulosic productions of the province include manufacturing tissue, wrapping paper, roller printing with high color variation on cosmetics, and pharmaceutical wrapping paper. Main chemical production of the province include various kinds of plastic pieces for food industry, automobile parts, etc. Different kinds of elastic and plastic covers for food and industrial usages, potassium permanganate, GRP draining pipes, fiberglass textile coating, solvents and base oils, etc. Some of the investment priorities in this subsection include producing high-tech food and pharmaceutical wrapping paper, producing fiberglass and completing its production chain including fiberglass pieces, etc. Producing health and cosmetic products using modern technology, producing various industrial, textile, and edible colors industries. Food industries. Main food productions of the province include processing olive, raisin, flour, juice out of concentrate, dairy products, tomato paste, marine animal feed. Concerning the agricultural products of the province, some of the investment priorities in this subsection include establishing high-quality and export-oriented processing, sorting, and packaging units. Metal industry. Having rich metal mines such as the greatest lead and zinc mine of the Middle East, copper mines and processing unit with the high production capacity in the province are among the important capacities of this sector. Investment priorities in non-ferrous metal industries include establishing downstream industries to produce zinc and copper-related productions, producing aluminium ingot based on proper capacity of alumite mines of the province, and mass production of handicrafts. Also, completing the production chain by producing prefabricated metal constructions. Different kinds of coated and uncoated steel sheets are among the investment priorities of non-ferrous industries. Non-ferrous minerals industries. Main productions of the province include sandstone mines, various kinds of cement and plaster, industrial soils including kaolin, silica minerals, granite and travertine rocks, carcass stone, lime, clay, basalt, and perlite. Some of the investment priorities in this subsection include producing export-oriented tile and ceramic, processing silica, processing industrial soils, producing different kinds of ferroalloys, stone cutting using modern technology. In industry section of Zanjan province, we support high-tech, export-oriented investment with high added value, which leads to creating job opportunities.